Lag spikes in Overwatch 2 can disrupt your gaming experience, but there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and reduce lag. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your modem or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other online applications that could interfere with your game performance. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for Overwatch 2 to optimize performance. Lower graphics settings, disable VSync, and reduce the resolution if necessary. This can help improve frame rates and reduce lag. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can help reduce lag spikes. Step 5. Update network drivers in-game. Make sure your network drivers on the Overwatch 2 game client are up to date. Check for any available updates for your graphics card and network adapter, as well as any patches or updates for the game itself. Keeping everything updated can help resolve compatibility issues that may cause lag. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.